All right, so let's try to evaluate these limits. The first thing I'm going to do is my direct substitution, and I'm going to get that the limit as x goes to 0 of e to the x minus 1, well, e to the 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0, over sine of x. Sine of 0 is also 0, therefore indeterminate. And you need to say this, so using L'Hospital, and there should be an accent above the O, I can say that the limit as x goes to 0, so derivative of e to the x is e to the x, derivative of 1 is 0, derivative of sine is cosine of x. Evaluating, e to the 0 is 1, cosine of 0 is 1, so I get that my overall limit is 1. If this is a calculator paper, I could look at my graph to see that this makes sense as well. All right, limit as x goes to 7, well, 7 squared plus 70 plus 21 is not 0. My guess is that this is supposed to be a negative 7. Because if this is not a negative 7, so let's look at it if it's not a negative 7. If it's not a negative 7, I get this positive value over 0, which would then imply infinity. If it's the limit as x goes to negative 7, then I get 49 minus 70 plus 21 over, sorry, this would be what it's equal to. That would be my x squared plus 10x plus 21 over x squared minus 49. And then I would get 49 minus 49. So I get that the top goes to 0, the bottom goes to 0, which is indeterminate. Therefore, indeterminate. Therefore, the limit as x goes to negative 7. Now I'm going to take the derivative, 2x plus 10 over 2x. Negative 14 plus 10 is negative 4 over negative 14. I get positive 2 over 7, and of course you don't have to simplify. You could just stop here. But again, we have to say indeterminate, therefore, and really to be thorough, I can say therefore L'Hospital's. All right, evaluating this one, I can see clearly that I get 0 over 0. I'm going to take this and shrink it down. All right, so therefore L'Hospital's. I'll get the limit as x goes to 0 of 12x squared minus 12x over negative 10x. Again, I get 0 over 0, which is indeterminate. And really, we want to say indeterminate, therefore L'Hospital's. Limit as x goes to 0 of 24x minus 12 over negative 10. And now I get 12 over 10 as my final solution.